Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, ito na ko ya Baofeng UV5R and Baofeng 888S. So, balang sa head-to-head. So first, turn on yung Baofeng UV5R. Ito yung ibutang mo sa frequency mode. I-type yung code. Amo dyan yung code, guys. Amo dyan isulat, guys, oh. Ang number. Baliskad lang. 4, 6, 2, 2, 5. Amo dyan isulat. So, testingan natin. So, yan walkie-talkie. Meron, ano?
4, 6, 2, 6.
Sala!
Frequency mode. 4, 6, 2, 2, 2, 5.
Okay. Yan na yung code. Para mabigyan natin sa Baofeng 88S.
Power on. 1.
Naka-1 na ba't? Why ka-1 na ba't naka-2?
2.
Okay.
Sound check. 4, 1, 2. Sound check.
Sound check. Bati-on, guys.
Sound check.
That's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notification bells. Have a good one. Bye.